It's trying to talk.
Hey, say something to mommy. She's videotaping you. Say, I don't like these hiccups.
He's so happy. He's happy even though he has the hiccups.
Yeah.
That's how we know.
Yeah.
He's very happy. Daddy, give him a kiss.
Hey, kissy face. Does Daddy's beard tickle?
Hmm?
So which Celtics team do you expect to show up at Staples Center? The one that struggled on the road for most of the playoffs, or with momentum?
Cash. Cash.
Cash boy, look at it this way.
Cash.
Hey.
Hey, little monkey.
Oh.